Turn off the machine before operation. Hello, my friend, you can see it through video call. This is a bad ink pump. We will replace it with a new one. Cut the broken ink pump and the black thread. Cut the ink intake tube of the second interface of the bad ink pump. Cut the ink outlet tube of the first interface of the broken ink pump. This is a new ink pump used to replace the bad ink pump. Cut off the black line and keep a certain distance. Fix the new ink pump to connect the new house and the original house. The left ink pump is connected and the black line is connected with the black line. The exposed core is wound together in the same reverse direction. Remove the skin of the tube to expose the core. Cut off the tube to expose the core. Let the thread have about 2 cm on the outside. After dealing with the 2 red cores, the 2 together rotate and tighten together in one direction. Tighten in one direction. Tighten it hard. That's good, and now you can see. Take out the black electrical tape to wind and protect the core. Winding to prevent contact with ink, water and air. Okay, you can see. Next is the black line. In the same way, fix the black line. Tighten the black line together. Rotate. Secure it with electrical tape. Make sure the winding is fixed. Okay, you can see. This is an ink tube. Link the second interface of the new ink pump. Use a screwdriver to expand the ink tube. Connect like this. The first interface is to connect waste ink bottles. Yes, you can see. Connect the ink tube to the second interface. Cut off the ink outlet tube of the bad ink pump. Connect to the first interface of the new ink pump. Use a screwdriver to expand the ink tube. This is the entrance of the left ink tube. This is the right ink tube entrance. Pay attention to distinguish. Demonstrate it. Expand the ink tube with a screwdriver and then connect to the new ink pump interface. Ensure the access interface of ink tube. Then put the new ink pump into the card slot. Ensure the access interface of ink tube. The right side is broken. Change to the right. Ensure the access interface of ink tube.